Welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Have you ever looked at old household items and wondered if they could be something beautiful? Today, we are transforming everyday clutter into stunning, upcycled bird baths. Get ready to turn your trash into a gorgeous backyard oasis that your local feathered friends will absolutely love. Welcome the birds with a touch of culinary history. By transforming an old, rusted cast iron skillet, you can create a charming and highly durable oasis right in your backyard. We simply seal the sturdy iron and set it upon a beautifully ornate yellow chair frame. The vibrant contrast breathes new life into forgotten items. Watching the local wildlife splash about in this vividly painted pan truly brings a sense of joyful energy to your sunny garden. Look up, and you might just spot magic hanging from the branches. An inverted vintage glass lampshade makes an absolutely stunning suspended bird bath. Suspended by heavy brass chains, the thick iridescent glass catches the daylight perfectly. It acts like a giant, beautiful suncatcher while offering our feathered friends a safe, elevated place to drink and bathe. The way the light dances through the colored glass onto the green lawn below is simply breathtaking to witness. Bring a fun, retro rhythm to your outdoor space with a recycled vinyl record. With just a little bit of heat, we can carefully mold a scratched album into a perfectly balanced, shallow bowl. Mounted high on a bright yellow pedestal, the dark grooves of the record provide excellent grip for little bird feet. It is an incredibly unique, musical homage that turns absolute trash into a vibrant, sunlit centerpiece for your modern cottage garden. Who knew outdated technology could look this beautiful? We took an old, useless satellite dish and transformed it into a wide, welcoming pool. Painted with a magnificent, brightly colored mandala pattern, it becomes a mesmerizing focal point. Resting on its original green mounting pole, the dish perfectly catches the golden sunlight. It is a fantastic way to recycle metal and provide a massive, shallow bathing area that multiple birds can enjoy together on a warm afternoon. Step back in time with the simple elegance of a vintage enamel washbasin. The stark white interior, framed by a bold blue edge and hand-painted sunflowers, looks incredibly fresh and inviting under the sun. Placed carefully upon a salvaged, bright red Victorian metal plant stand, it elevates the garden's aesthetic instantly. This deep, sturdy basin offers a reliable and incredibly charming sanctuary for birds to cool off, bringing a peaceful, nostalgic energy to your beautiful yard. Do not throw away that old galvanized trash, Can Lid, just yet. Flipped upside down, its wide, gently sloping shape is the ultimate design for a bird bath. We gave it a waterproof mosaic makeover in bright neon colors that pop beautifully against the green grass. Set securely on a sturdy industrial pipe, this clever upcycle proves that with a little imagination, even the most mundane household items can become a luxurious, functional piece of backyard art. Combine clarity and color by nestling a heavy glass baking dish inside a woven, pastel-painted wire planter basket. The thick, transparent glass is completely watertight and looks incredibly elegant when filled to the brim. Hanging beautifully in the sunlight, the water practically mirrors the sky above. It is a surprisingly simple, yet sophisticated project that invites birds to bathe while casting beautiful, shimmering reflections across your blooming lavender and white daisies throughout the afternoon. make a grand, structural statement by repurposing a classic pedestal bathroom sink. We transformed this heavy porcelain fixture by covering it in a brilliant, jewel-toned mosaic of broken ceramic tiles. Freestanding in the garden, it functions as a majestic, artistic fountain. The deep basin holds plenty of fresh water, while the vibrant reds and blues sparkle intensely in the daylight. It is a truly luxurious upgrade that completely redefines the concept of outdoor garden decor. Give your feathered friends a spacious lounge area using an oversized cast-iron kitchen wok. Sealed with a bright aquamarine finish, the wide, sloping sides are incredibly safe and accessible for birds of all sizes. Nestled perfectly into a colorful pedestal made of painted patio bricks, the wok feels grounded and intentional. The vibrant rainbow patina on the outside perfectly complements the natural greenery, creating a whimsical, deeply inviting spot for wildlife to gather and play. Add a touch of rustic luxury to your garden with a vintage copper boiling pan. The natural aging process of the copper reveals stunning shades of rose gold and vivid turquoise, which look spectacular under the bright sun. Balanced atop an intricately painted chartreuse sewing machine base, this setup is both sturdy and gorgeous. Copper naturally helps keep the water clean, making this beautifully aged basin a low-maintenance, high-impact feature that birds will absolutely adore. Create a coastal oasis right in your backyard with an oversized faux clamshell. Hand-painted with iridescent, pearlescent colors, the shell shimmers brilliantly in the sunlight, looking almost magical. We permanently affixed this beautiful basin to a salvaged, brightly painted concrete baluster, giving it a stately, elevated presence among the flowers. The wide, textured edges of the shell offer birds a perfect landing spot before they dip into the clear water of this stunning, ocean-inspired garden centerpiece. Elevate your garden's elegance with a brilliant combination of crystal and brass. By fusing a heavy cut glass salad bowl to a polished gold candlestick holder, we created a bird bath that doubles as a giant prism. The deeply faceted glass catches the bright afternoon sunlight, scattering tiny rainbows across the yard. It is a visually stunning, incredibly luxurious piece that looks expensive, but is made entirely from thrifted treasures, offering a pristine drinking spot for the birds. Winter tools can find new life in the summer sun. The wide metal scoop of an old aluminum snow shovel, painted in a bright, fiery gradient, makes a remarkably clever water dish. Bolted securely to a vintage, violet-painted iron fence post, the curved edges keep the water perfectly contained. It is a fun, highly creative upcycle that adds a vibrant pop of color and rustic charm, welcoming birds to your clean, luxurious backyard cottage garden. Who knew that an old skillet or a glass lampshade could bring so much life to a garden? By upcycling, you not only save money, but also create a unique sanctuary for nature. If you enjoyed these sustainable DIY bird bath ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Kira Style Garden for more outdoor inspiration, and let me know in the comments which design was your favorite.